嗱喺呢度咧，我恭祝大家新年快樂，拜個都唔係拜早年啦，正式入年啦，同埋咧要身壯力健，接你啦，我恭喜大家新年好，那個健康賺錢的新年。Hope everybody will be healthy and make a lot of money this year, and I say that again at the end. 嗱，今年咧同往年有一度係好唔同啊！今年咧好多人以為咧60年出現一次，其實今年特別啲嘅，係180年先出現一次。今年來講呢，有一點跟過往的年不同，不是每60年一次，是180年才有一次。Now this year is different in a way that it doesn't occur once in every 60 years. Instead, it happens once every 180 years. So it takes a long time for such a year to repeat. So this is a very interesting year. 嗱，今年咧叫做九星歸會命返元神嘅一年，即係每粒星位歸原位啊，所以都可以話咧係所有嘢咧係由頭開始嘅一年。咁樣同埋咧，亦都因為佢係水地比貴入中咧，所以呢個世界國家咧會更加和氣、更加和諧一啲，即係大家幫大家。咁啊，世界國家會幫大家係好定唔好咧？咁你可以話梗好啦，但你可以話唔好喎。有咩情況啲國家會幫大家？大家都唔掂，世界多天災咪大家幫大家啱嘛？所以都有個暗藏嘅，所以話中國嘅哲學咧。有一正一負一陰一陽嘅。那今年來講呢，是九星歸會，命返元辰的一年。那但是就是所有東西，就是從今年從頭開始。但是同時來講，今年這個卦象來講叫水地比卦，就是很多國家呢都互相幫助，互相幫助當然是好的，其實也有不好的。國家之間可以互相幫助，只有一個原因。天災，很多天災，大家就有幫了，就是有這個情況。So this year is good in a way that the countries will be helping each other because all the 9 stars get together in the same position, respective same positions. But then this also is a good thing that countries will be helping each other. But it also indicates that there will be a lot of natural disasters for that to happen. 咁樣其中一個最緊要，今年咧有一個係天災，一個人禍。人禍喺邊咧？人禍喺食品、食嘢嗰方面啊，食物嗰種污染。天災嚟講咧，今年主要嘅天災係地震。而喺地震咧，今年咧有3個位，就係今年卦象嘅五黃大煞位。五黃大煞位咧講晒啲衰嘢識個嘢啊！五黃大煞位咧，第一就係喺西南位。西南位咧就代表咗中國西南呢個四川同埋西藏嘅交界點嗰度，即係嗰個三角地帶啊，同埋呢個即係湖南嗰邊咧嗰個三角點。第二咧就係西南嘅加州，太平洋對咗海邊。第三咧就係加勒比海嘅西南方。呢3點咧就係今年咧嘅世界上嘅五黃大煞位。所以地震會好多，所以仲有幾個地震嚟緊嘅嗰幾度都。那今年呢，主要的天災都在虎黃位，虎黃呢是今年的西南位。西南位來講，代表有3個地方，一個是中國的西南，就是四川跟那個西藏之間。第二來講呢，就是加利福尼亞州西南部，洛杉磯的西南海岸。第三呢，就加勒比海西南，你們都看到海地了，所以天意是應該發生的，這虎黃大煞，還有好幾個地震要來的。Okay, so the first natural disaster for this year, you don't need to worry too much about H1N1, aviation flu or something, but you need to worry more like food. So 2 kinds of disasters for this year. One is food, the other one is earthquakes. And the major source of earthquakes will be on the southwest side of the world. 3 major centers. One is southwest China, that is between Sichuan and Tibet. Another one is southwest California, just outside the Pacific Ocean. The third one is southwest Caribbean, so which already happened. But a lot of smaller shocks will still come. So they better be more careful. I don't want people trying to help other people and suddenly get into the shocks. But all things like this will be supposed to happen. And if they would have followed my yearly predictions earlier, they might have done some preparation work instead of being too late. So 5 yellow center, southwest. 咁今年咧最緊要最好嘅位一邊咧，講得最唔好就講得最好啦。最好嗰個位咧就中央，中央咧就雙八白入中央，財位在居中。咁呢個中央代表性咧就係我哋嘅中國。所以中國亦都今年世界嘅財位，全世界都向中國搲人啊，或者做生意。所以中國咧幾年前救咗香港，而家嚟救加拿大。 即係救世主啦，整啲自由行，加拿大經濟會因佢而受惠，就係咁解。嗱，咁樣呢個陣間我只係將縮細範圍講多倫多啊，而家講世界大局先。今年最好的位置就中央，雙法就是歸中，這中央點代表了就是中國，所以今年世界的財位就在中國，所以這中國也是今年的世界的救世主。 很多国家都要靠中国来，谋生了，可以这样说，也把加拿大给救了，所以在中国是中央点。那 the money center this year is right in the center, and the center is represented by China. That also means China is the money center for the world. That also means, okay, a lot of countries more and more so would like to do business with China. And also would attract money to and from China. So China, being a friend for Canada, will help Canada a lot this year. 嗱，咁樣呢個北位加拿大係邊度咧？加拿大咧就係今年嘅文昌位，所以文昌位咧即係話加拿大好多好叻嘅人出，讀書叻咧有所高科技嘅發明，咁樣咧就亦都會製造咗一啲新嘅企業。 那加拿大来讲呢，是今年的文昌位。文昌来讲，就是说加拿大今年高科技发展不错，很多新的发明。这发明来讲呢，很多都会受其他的国家注意。所以今年加拿大这个高科技念书也不错。唯一就是它也是3杀位，3杀位来讲就是政治来讲呢，就是这个争吵特别多。Okay, Canada is in the learning center of the world this year. That means you're about to see a lot of new inventions, a lot of scholars coming out of Canada, okay? But at the same time, Canada is also the center of triple conflict. That means there will be a lot of arguments, political arguments in Canada. But nonetheless, the strength of the learning, the strength of the scholars and inventions will help Canada and far surpass the negative impact. So that's Canada. Now, 呢個西方係點咧？西方係今年係100入。咁咧呢個100代表咗幾件事啊？第一代表桃花，第二代表咗偏財，第三咧就係代表咗動喐啊。呢個代表國家咧就係美國，亦都楞咗有啲歐洲。所以美國咧今年特別多，我哋可以話桃花事件。 越係出名嘅人咧，今年就越多桃花事件咧，見到2單起碼多啦。咁樣呢個係應咗個桃花嘅關係。其次咧就係盜劫官員，都係呢個100代表，所以美國特別多槍戰、槍械同埋打劫銀行，喺歐洲國家好多。咁樣呢樣咧有啲美中不足。那這個美國來講代表是西方，這個數碼來講是一，這個一第一是代表桃花。 第二是代表騙財，第三呢就是代表這個盜賊啦、打劫、槍戰，所以代表是美國。美國來講呢，今年用槍的特別多，大家銀行呢無端端的就開槍，今年特別多死人，這是冤枉。在美國來講，還有一點呢，就是這個桃花也多，這個也包括加拿大西方國家，所以呢，今年你看到很多政治。 很多大機構的所謂有名的人啊，很多犯了桃花的已經看了3個了起來，一個是Tiger Woods，一個是美國一個政客，一個是多倫多的一個政客，還有幾個來，OK，the West is represented by the number 1, represented by United States, to a degree Canada, and to a degree Europe. 1 represents romances, represents also robberies, okay, and also represents speculative money. Now what that means is, the higher the position, the more trouble would have to do with gender problems. Like for example, you already seen Tiger Woods, you've seen another politician in Washington, okay, another one just happened in Toronto, okay, and a few more coming. It's because of the number 1 falling into the Western world. So if you want to run politics, you better make sure you don't have any dirt to be found, because all your little dirt, especially about sex, will be uncovered for this year. 嗱呢個東位嚟講咧，好有趣味啊！東位坐落位置為600主驛馬，驛馬即係咩咧？旅遊啦，但驛馬亦都同車有關。但係代表呢個6位咧就為金，但係今年坐落喺東咧本數為木，咁啊金同木打交啊，金即係個斧頭都係木啊。咁影喺邊個國家咧？影喺東邊嗰個國家，東邊邊個國家就係日本。所以日本有2大問題，第一就5金嘅車，第二咧就地震地陷，金木交戰影響咗地。所以咧今年日本都幾麻煩，唔淨止車多事，地震亦都好多麻煩，好多小地震今年。所以你會發覺咧，呢個係曾經蝦過中國國家，信唔信隨你，天道循環，全部有報應，報應不爽，所以做人唔好做歪心事。那这个东方的国家非常奇怪，东方的国家代表是6来讲是代表乙马，代表东来讲也代表五金的代表是车，但是东方来讲代表在本书来讲是木，就是说金斩木为金克木，问题在哪里？有2个问题，第一是五金的车，对他来讲呢就是地。所以呢，在东方这个日本呢，今年一定车多问题，还有地震很多。我还有一个预言，就是当年呢，曾经欺负我们中国的国家，全部都有这个报应，全报真是有报应，不由你，这天道循环，不由你。Okay, the east side is very interesting because the number 6 goes to the east side. The number 6 is a metal number. It represents mobilities and traveling. Think about this. When you're moving a metal, what does it represent? Cars and airplanes. Okay? And but it falls in the east. East is wood. So metal and wood fight. The problem is Japan. Japan is the eastmost in Asia. So that means Japan will have a lot of problems with not just cars, but also airplanes. So if they are not careful, some huge established car companies or even airplane companies may come into financial problems, not just problems technically. But at the same time, there will be a record number of earthquakes in Japan this year too. The minor ones, not major, just minor. So my forecast was that over the past 200 years, every single country that bullied China had to be revenged by nature. China didn't need to do anything. Nature does it for China. Okay, so that is called the recycling of things. 嗱呢個咧就係因果循環啦。所以日本唔係淨係車有問題，飛機都有問題。因為飛機都係動嘅五金，所以你會睇到咧日本航空今年唔小心咧可能破產嘅會。所以好得人驚。還有剛才我用英語講，就是日本除了車以外，飛機也有問題，所以它飛機經營出問題了，要不小心可能會破產，所以不可以不注意。嗱，東北呢個位嚟講咧係今年嘅病殺，所以今年主要問題嘅食品來源喺邊咧？東北，中國東北啦，東三省啦。加拿大嘅東北啦，美國東北啦，所以留意喺嗰度出產嘅食品咧比較容易多問題嘅，係因為嗰個病位在東北。 那这东北味是今年的病味，很多食品呢从东北产生的食品可能都有问题。中国的东三省、加拿大的东北的省份4个省，还有美国东北出品的这个食品都要小心一点。Now, Northeast is the sixth center for this year, so that means food products manufactured in the northeastern side of the countries we have to be more careful about, such as northeastern China, northeastern Canada, and northeastern USA. Food products coming out from there, they better do more compliance, do more QA, quality check, because this year's major problem has to do with food. And most problems would originate from northeast. 嗱，呢個西北位咧就比較有趣味性啲啦。西北係今年最好嘅位之一，係喜慶位，所以今年咧西北係特別興旺發達。但係西北同時都入咗火位，所以預測到咧有2大火災。第一咧就加拿大 BC 省西北部，第二咧就美國西北部華盛頓州附近，仲有森林火災比較嚴重。因為今年嘅氣候咧北方偏乾，南方偏濕，係一個陰陽極端嘅對比啊！所以你乾咧一加埋嘅燥熱就好容易生大火，又應咗喺西北嗰個火地。那今年呢西北味來講呢，第一是好的，是那個喜慶味，就很多高興的事情發生，也有不好的，因為它也是火味。那今年的氣候來講呢，北方非常乾燥，南方呢非常潮濕，所以東西北的位置非常容易森林大火。我預測有2場大火，一場呢就在那個加拿大的西北卑詩省的北部，另外一個呢就在美國西北部，就是華盛頓州附近。Now, Northwest is a double-edged sword. Northwest is the joy center this year, but at the same time, it's also the fire center this year. So while there's a lot of happy events happening in northwestern regions, there would also be a lot of forest fires. Partially because in this year, northern regions are very dry, southern regions are very wet. So on the northwest side, such as northern BC and Alberta, and also northwestern United States, such as Oregon and Washington State, there would be quite a few forest fires. So they better pay attention to prevent the forest fires before too late. Okay, when I look back at my past 15 to 20 years predictions, I was never wrong on many things. So I hope they listen to this and pay attention to that. 嗱，呢個東南位咧，剩翻呢個東南位咧就好得意嘅。東南今年7位破軍，代表爭拗，有少少退氣。代表性咧就多倫多同埋台灣同埋香港呢個最代表性嘅。咁樣咧個主要爭議在於政治，所以今年咧馬英九都幾痛苦啊，好多人爭啦，嗰啲民進黨啊嘈生晒啦，做乜都好似唔啱。香港咧就係仲小兒科。搞嗰陣啦，一齊辭職咯。你做乜都係唔啱㗎，總之你就起屋就唔啱，拆屋都唔啱。總之做又死，唔做又死，都有人鬧嘅。呢個就係香港。多倫多嚟講咧，就因為屬於西方咧，就入咗桃花啦，所以今年咧多爭拗，就同桃花都有關。所以喺多倫多今年選政治咧，小心你收埋女朋友，最好唔好捐出嚟咪死，咁男朋友唔係大件事。東南方位來講呢，是今年的破軍7位，代表的是爭議，還有呢，就是也代表退氣不穩定。主要的問題代表國家是多倫多、台灣跟香港。台灣來講呢是高層政治問題，香港來講呢少兒科問題多了。你政府做什麼也好，就給人罵；你不做什麼也好，也給人罵。你就要罵，不就要罵，就是香港，香港就是这样啊。那个多伦多来讲呢，由于是西方带桃花了，所以今年很多政治问题都离不开桃花，所以比较麻烦一点。Now Southeast is the last center we'll talk about, which is into the number 7. Number 7 means receding, but it also means fighting. infighting especially. 3 representing places, Taiwan, Hong Kong, and Toronto. In Taiwan, we will be on the upper level politics, so a lot of party fighting going on. In Hong Kong, always those Mickey Mouse politics. That means no matter what the government does, they will fight. Even if they don't, they still fight. So that means Hong Kong is a lot of petty politics. Toronto had to do with the sex scandal a lot because it falls in the Romance Center also. So in politics, there are a lot of must link in Toronto. OK， 嗱咁樣點樣縮翻嚟多倫多啦？大家喺度生活。多倫多個財位喺邊咧？喺中央北約克第一大財位，記住。所以咧，你再縮細啲，你間屋嘅財位喺邊咧？就係你間屋嘅中間。所以你間屋今年想揾錢咧，喺你中央擺盆水，再擺個錢啦。咁樣你想唔揾錢都唔得啦。那我們把這個世界的大範圍縮成我們小小的多倫多，好不好？那這個多倫多呢，今年的財位在中央，就是比約克 Willowdale。在家裡的財位就是你家裡的中央，所以在你家裡中央放一盤水加這個錢罐加錢呢，今年特別容易賺錢，所以不要忘掉。Now what about shrinking the whole world into a small dot? The small dot in the city called Toronto. So within Toronto this year, the money center is Willowdale. Willowdale will do very well financially and also real estate-wise. And to shrink it further, that means inside your house, the money center is inside the house. Have a bucket, some water, and a piggy bank that can help you make money this year. Okay, within Toronto, there are 4 major real estate power centers this year. 嗱喺多倫多裏邊，今年有4大地產強區。今年多倫多最好嘅生意就係地產。第一強區係正話講嘅北約克 Willowdale， 第二強區咧就係萬錦市，同埋呢一個旺市係排第2，萬錦排第3。咁樣呢啲咧地產旺區。第4咧就係西南嘅 High Park 嗰度，即係湖邊嗰度。呢個係多倫多今年嘅4大王國。地產有機會咧，頭嗰6個月之內咧升到20%，咁短時間可以。那把這個範圍縮成多倫多今年最好的行業是地產。地產呢有4大強區，第一就是 Willowdale 比較克中心，第二來講呢是旺市 Vaughan。第3來講是灣仔 Markham， 第4來講就是西南部 High Park 那裡，就是湖邊那裡。憑這4個地區呢，有機會這頭6個月裡面，地產價值會上升20%。Now, the 4 power centers for real estate in Toronto this year, you want to make money, pay attention. Okay, number 1, Willowdale. Number 2, Vaughan. Number 3, Markham. And number 4, New Toronto. That is about High Park area. In these 4 power centers, the average real estate price could go up as much as 20% within this first 6 months this year. So if you have holdings in those areas, you stand to make a lot of money. 賺錢咧喺加拿大始終只係一條路賺錢就係地產，其他乜都係呃人嘅，都係做親死都有吉。呢樣唔好忘記。Now, one more advice. In Canada, in Toronto in particular, the best way to make money long term, only one source, that's real estate. All other things are just illusion. 在多倫多唯一長線賺錢只有地產，所以不要忘掉。OK， 趁呢個機會咧，講呢個12生肖啦。如果唔講啊，唔落一台。OK。那現在講12生肖的問題。Now let's move on to the horoscope. But before that, if you have any questions about what I just said, feel free to ask. 沒有講以前呢，有什麼問題都可以先問。有咩關於正話講世界多倫多局勢嘅問題咧？而家可以即刻問，未講生肖之前。有冇問題？好似有一個咪俾你問問題嘅。I have the extra microphone for you. 邊一度嘅股票啊？冇生。OK。 The question is about the stock market。呢個問題咧係關於個股票。嗱，我比較建議你，今年加拿大股票咧最穩陣就係六大銀行 banking 銀行股票，同埋咧呢個石油股咧今年個飄蕩都好緊要，尤其是今日飄蕩都好緊要。如果你冇咁大嘅膽，冇咁多錢，你最好唔好鬥。OK， 就喺美國嚟講咧，千祈今年唔可以鬥銀行股。美國可以鬥車，今年車 OK， 同埋咧美國基本上嗰個整體嘅金融股都可以考慮，但係集中喺車嗰邊。同埋美國可以鬥 Apple 同 Google。那剛才的問題是股票問題，股票問題呢，在加拿大比較安全的是這個六大銀行的股票，美國來講呢是汽車。加上這個 Google 跟 Apple 的股票。Now the question was about investments in stock market. In stock market, as the United States would be concerned, stick to automobiles and also Apple and Google. In terms of Canada, stick to the six banks. Six banks, they would do well this year. But in terms of gas or oil and also gold, it's going to be extremely volatile. Unless you have a deep pocket and a big heart, you better stay away. 除非你的口袋很深，财很多，胆子很大，这个黄金呢跟这个石油还是不要碰的。OK， 仲有冇問題 ？Any more questions? If not, I move on to the horoscope right away. 嗱，如果冇問題咧，而家講生肖啊。Any questions? OK。嗱，生肖咧，12生肖今年係咩年啊？虎年。OK， 今年是老虎年 ，This year is Tiger year。OK， 老虎有咩特性？惡啊！虎虎生威唔係一定惡㗎，老虎精神啦，攞下龍精虎猛啦。你有冇話龍精狗猛㗎？因為龍精虎猛啊！我廣東人都講龍跟老虎都是很精神的。So they say tigers represented by energy, high energy, lots of energy. It's about time, isn't it? So this year is a year for things to be re-energized, rekindled. 所以今年呢，就是重新開始一年，老虎就帶頭啦。所以今年嘅我需要一個老虎嚟帶頭。咁屬老虎嘅人呢，今年坐太歲，坐太歲呢就容易生病，容易呢做一個決定性嘅錯誤。所以老虎嘅人最緊要多運動，多休息，搞好身體。但係老虎今年唔係咁差。我上個禮拜星道都出咗啦，因為老虎雖然坐太歲，但係帶財星。動中求財，主動不主政，所以記住呢樣。那老虎的人來講，今年就坐太歲，坐太歲來講呢，就比較身體不好，容易受傷，容易生病。但老虎的人今年有財星的，所以不錯，所以動中求財，越動越好。那 the tiger people, even though in conflict with this year tiger, okay, so meaning you need more rest, you got to do more tai chi or something. Or you have to do some checkups to make sure there's nothing bad hiding. But they're not as bad as in other years because the tiger people consist of a money sign. The money sign had to do with mobilities. So if you're a tiger person, your line of work requires you to travel a lot, move around a lot. In effect, you can do quite well as a tiger. 嗱，屬兔嘅人有冇？ The tigers are born in 1938, 50, 62, 74, 86. 嗱，老虎嘅人係3850年627 486，老虎就38年50 62 7 86年出生，即只有記下來。嗱，屬兔嘅人1939 51 6 37 5 87，兔仔啊，99年啊，有兔仔啊，兔仔今年桃花最旺。 夾住佢多啲啊！10個光頭9個富，睇住佢。嗱，屬兔嘅人咧，今年做嘢，譬如佢做明星啊、做公關啊、人面嘅嘢啦，因為呢個桃花比較旺啦，人緣會比較好，所以咧做買賣做公關好啲。 但係咧就離男不離女，男人桃花強，本土人；女性嘅桃花咧今年較為弱，就本人就管唔喐，叫人指東去行西嗰手嘢，所以咧就揾人幫幫先得。那屬兔子的人來講是1939、516、37、587年出生，有沒有屬兔的？屬兔的人今年12生肖裡面桃花最旺，啊，所以呢，要是你行業做公關的，啊，做買賣的，今年不錯，但是是利男不利女，男的可以主權力、權威，女的就要靠人幫了，就要找人幫一幫。那 so the rapid people。Born in 1939, 51, 63, 75, 87, any rapids. Now, rapid people are the #1 romantic sign this year, very romantic. They are into power also. So if they are in the work to do with sales and marketing, public relations, they will do quite well for the rapid. But it favors the male rapid more so than the female rapid. The male rapid can control people, no problem. The female rabbit may run into trouble, a lot of jealousies, so they need some help. 嗱，有冇屬龍嘅人？屬龍嘅人，龍咧194052647688，2000年出世。龍嘅人，屬龍嘅194052647688，2000年出生。Dragon people, any 1940, 52, 64, 76, 88, 2000。嗱，屬龍嘅人咧，今年係第2最強嘅驛馬年啊！所以屬龍嘅人咧係主動不主靜，靜咧揾唔到錢，要動俾佢做旅行社啊、做股票啊、做買賣啊、出入口啊，龍嘅人相當兇惡，但係一定要主動。咁樣同埋咧比較容易有犯咗小毛病、小意外，但唔係大問題，唔使驚。嗱，屬龍的人來講呢，今年是第2個驛馬最強的。所以屬龍的人今年呢移動不移靜，要是做這個進出口生意、做買賣的、做股票的，龍的不錯。要是你在案頭後邊、桌子後邊，就崩散。Okay, the dragon people are the #2 most dominant travel sign. So if you're a dragon, you're an importer, exporter, you're a stockbroker, okay? Or you involve a job with a lot of mobility travel agencies, you do very well. But if you work behind the desk, forget it. The dragon people are a little bit accident prone as well. So you don't take your time, don't rush on things to be safe. 嗱，屬蛇嘅人有冇？1941536577892001。屬蛇的人來講，194153657789。And the snake people. 1941, 53, 65, 77, 89。嗱，屬蛇嘅人今年犯太歲，叫刑太歲啊，刑罰嘅刑。刑太歲咧就犯人事，所謂開口及着嚟講嘢好地地，人哋當你篤口鼻著咁嗰類嘢咯。所以咧，屬蛇嘅人咧，今年要揾雞啊或者馬卜卜，同埋咧屬蛇嘅人咧，譬如你結咗婚咧，兩公婆好容易多嗌霎，女朋友、男女朋友都會。所以呢，多聽嘢，少講嘢，穩陣啲。那屬蛇的人來講呢，今年是犯太歲，就犯那刑法的刑。刑太歲來講，主要是人事問題。人事問題呢，就是說疑心比較重，口舌比較多。但是你要是蛇的，你是政治的，做官的，做警察的，做律師的，反而是好。但屬蛇嘅人呢，做官的，做警察的，政治反而好，因為幾多主權。So the snake people are in conflict with the year as well. In a way, the conflict had to do with relations, inter-people relations. So if you're born in the snake, listen more, talk less. Okay. However, if you're in a position like you're a lawyer, paralegal, okay, politician, okay, or police or soldier, and you're a snake, you do very well. Otherwise, don't talk, just listen. And don't be too suspicious about other people. And you should try to associate with people born in the year of the rooster or the horse to help you out. 嗱，咁樣跟住咧，呢個就係屬馬啦，12生肖最好嘅生肖啊，425466789。屬馬的是今年最好的生肖。 是1942567890年出生。So the horse people, number one sign this year, okay, born in 1942, 54, 66, 78, 90. 數碼點解唔好咧？因為同個太歲老虎或者三合埋一齊，即係阿爺幫你啊！你掂唔掂俾身家你細細喎，梗係掂啦嘛。咁樣所以屬馬嘅人咧，今年叫做財星高照、權星高照、感情旺盛。如果未結婚可以結婚，如果結咗婚咧就即係唔好咁多啦，穩陣啲，但係人緣唔錯。我一路有啲理想，舊年犯太歲，因為想做嘅咧，譬如有官非咧，今日可以解決得；有啲嘢想做冇做咧，今日可以去做，大發展一。屬馬的人來講是最好的生肖了，今年去年犯太歲，今年來講呢，心想事成，太歲爺來幫你，所以今年財星非常旺。要是有什麼理想都沒有貫徹的，今年可以去幹，幹得好。Okay, the horse people are number one sign this year. Okay, last year they were in trouble. This year they could do good. So as a horse person, you'll be very good in dealing with people. And also, anything you always want to do, you haven't done it, do it. If you haven't got married, think about it. If you're married, put your attention to other things, I hope. But you do very well overall, even financial. So be gutsy to do it. Now, 屬羊嘅人，194355677991有冇屬羊嘅人？羊嘅人咧係12生肖裏邊最識得管錢嘅，做會計最好啊！舊年就沖正太歲衰晒，今年係排行第3最好。羊嘅人今年貴人助過，逢凶化吉，而且暗大桃花都可以結婚。所以屬羊嘅人咧，今年係吉利一年。舊年唔見錢，今年希望可以收復一大嘅失。那屬羊呢是194355677991年出生，有沒有屬羊？12生肖裏邊呢，屬羊的人呢，管錢最好，做會計最好。羊的人去年沖太歲破財，今年貴人有，排第3最好。去年虛掉的錢，今年呢可以拿回很多了，所以大膽一點投資。有什麼要是結婚，今年也可以。羊的一般來講，今年不錯。那跟住呢個設計好多啦，呢個馬騮仔。OK， 都唔記得講英文添啊。Okay, the sheep people last year were the worst sign because they were against the year. This year they are into a lucky year. So money they lost last year, chances are they can make a lot of it back. So you can be a little gutsier to do investments and make some money. 嗱，屬馬騮咧就1956688092出世，有冇馬騮嘅人要留心聽啦，因為沖太歲啊。屬猴的人是1956688092年出生，今年就特別小心，原因是跟太歲爺對沖。So the monkey people 1956, 68, 80 and 92 against the year. So listen carefully about what I have to say about the monkeys. 嗱，沖太歲咧一般係主破財，所以如果你係屬馬騮嘅人咧，今年唔可以買股票，唔可以賭錢，賭博投機完全唔得，所以避開只守不自攻。同埋咧主動不主靜係12生肖驛馬最強嘅生肖就係馬騮，所以屬馬騮嘅人咧今年做副財就唔好做，即係要幫人嘅，即係做人嘅顧問，就自己唔好孭大旗啦。有咩決定揾人幫你決定，避咗個破財。那屬猴的人今年就沖太歲，跟太歲爺是對沖的。由於對沖的關係來講呢，容易破財。但是屬猴的人主動，有人要跑來跑去的。比如你做顧問呢，要給人出主見呢，這個不錯。但自己呢不可以所謂要被列大旗了，要幫別人，不可以自己來，這個很重要。Now if you're born in the monkey, you cannot gamble, speculate, or go to Rama, or go to get the stock market. But you'll be good as an advisor to people, to help other people, so you'll be more like an assistant instead of the main one. Do not take gambling, do not take chances if you're born a monkey. But they are the number one travel sign this year. So if you're in a business to do traveling, moving around a lot, you can still stand to do well, even if you're a monkey. Very important to know. 嗱，今年第二個最好嘅生肖咧就係雞。雞咧就係1945、57、6、98、193，有冇屬雞嘅人？雞咧今年紫微星入局，主官權。如果係細佬哥屬雞咧，讀書特別叻，讀書。如果係做生意咧，可以擴張，可以發展。如果打工咧，有升級職個機會，因為呢個係紫微星嘅作用。雞嘅人咧就係同舊年咧，舊年雖然好，但係口舌多，今年好就少咗口舌。所以雞嚟講排第2咁高嘅，除咗馬到雞。那屬雞的人來講是1945、57、6、98、193，今年來講排行第2，馬以後就是雞。主要呢是紫微星幫他，紫微是代表官權，比如念書的是代表文昌，所以小孩子屬雞的今年念書不錯。要是成人呢，比如做生意的可以擴展，打工呢可以有機會升級。所以这个鸡是不错的，跟去年不同。去年好的是非多，今年是非小一点。Okay, now the roosters are number 2 this year, just after the horse. They are into power, authority, and learning. So if you are a young rooster person, then you should study very well. If you're a businessman, you can expand your business. If you're a worker, you have a good chance to get promoted. Very good year for the rooster. Before I carry on, I have newspapers here about my predictions for New Year. Feel free to come over to pick them up. 在我面前呢，很多我讲牛年这个宝江 Joseph 公司看出的 Joseph 多伦多上网電視，免費的可以過嚟拿。前邊咧有好多嗰啲我講生肖嘅報紙免費嘅，可以過嚟喺呢度攞啦，隨便過嚟攞。OK， 唔係陣間攞晒冇你份嘅。隨便過嚟攞，呢度好多報紙啊，前邊啊。呢個登呢個報紙咧就係多倫多上網電視劉先生 Joseph 刊出嘅，就有全部嘅流年預測10000幾字喺嗰度，隨便攞。So here is a bilingual newspaper published by Toronto TV. Joseph Lam is allowed there with my predictions of New Year. They're free. Come over here and pick a few copies. Feel free to be my guest. 盡量過嚟攞啦，你唔攞就嘥咗啦。跟住個生肖係屬狗嘅生肖。嗱，屬狗咧，194658708294，有冇屬狗嘅人？啊，做嘢做到係狗咁喎。嗱，屬狗嘅人咧，今年叫做半合，因為老虎加馬加狗為之正合，半合就即係一支公孭唔到大旗。所以屬狗嘅人咧就容易嘅咩？第一要小心意外，所以一早要驗身。第二咧小心官非，但你唔怕揾馬或者揾兔嚟幫你咁樣，兔同馬幫到你。如果仲有一樣咧，屬狗嘅人咧亦都主官權，所以如果你係做secure 嘅、做警察嘅或者做律師嘅冇得彈。但係如果人對人之間咧，始終都要揾人幫，所以亦都要多聽嘢少講嘢，或者踏踏實實、安安全全冇事。那屬狗的人來講是194658708294，有沒有屬狗的？屬狗的人來講呢，狗加老虎加呢個馬會正3合，老虎跟狗牽了馬就不成合，叫半合，也不合不起。所以呢比較有類似的問題啦，也比較容易意外。所以屬狗的人必須找啲屬馬、屬兔的來幫你們，否則多注意小講話，安全一點。Okay, if you're born in the year of the dog, you're born in 1946, 58, 70, 82, 94. So tiger, horse, and dog become the true golden connection. Tiger and dog alone is missing something. So if you're born in the dog, be careful about legal conflicts and also be careful about accidents. So you need the horse or the rabbit people to help you. Or if you can't find them, then what you do is be practical. Do more, work more, talk less. But if you're a lawyer, you're a soldier, you're police, you're a dog, you do very well this year. So it works both ways. 嗱，呢個屬豬嘅人，1947、5971。 8395有冇屬豬嘅人？屬豬嘅人咧，今年財色相當之旺，但係就犯口舌。所以如果你屬豬嘅人咧，你係明星歌星或者演講家，咁樣你要揾好多錢。如果你淨係做 office work 嘅咧，即係 office 做嘢嘅咧，你就小心口舌俾人督背脊。所以咧，又揾啲咩人幫咧？揾隻兔仔幫我努力喺今年。那屬豬的人來講是1947、59、71、83、95年出生，有沒有屬豬的？12生肖裏邊朋友最多的，今年財星非常旺，但是也犯了口舌是非。但是你要是歌星、明星、演講家，以口生財行業的，屬豬的今年發大財了。要不是以口生財的，待在辦公桌後邊呢，小心給小人背後捅刀。所以要找一些屬兔的人幫一幫，安全一點。If you're born in year the pig, you're born in 1947, 59, 71, 83, 95. Any pigs? Pigs are the sign with the most friends, the friendliest sign of all. But the pigs will make money, but they have an argument sign, controversial sign. But if you are in the business to do talking, such as if you are a singer, a movie star, a lawyer, a speaker, and you will do very well. Otherwise, be careful about backstabbing by people, controversies you run into. You should get a rapid person to help you out this year. 嗱，屬老鼠嘅人，194860728496有冇屬老鼠嘅人 ？OK， 老鼠嘅人咧，今年係第3、第4最強馬嘅，所以而家係主動不主靜。老鼠今年揾錢，但係容易以外小心尖物、針啦、刀啦、尖嘢都要小心，容易受傷。所以做啲健身操或者會，同埋咧老鼠嘅人咧太急啦，今年發展好快，就小心得罪人。那屬老鼠的人是1948、60、72、84、96年出生，今年來講呢財星不錯很旺，可以發展事業。唯一容易受傷，對尖的物品特別敏感，所以針啊、刀啊、尖角啊，那些屬老鼠的要小心，所以早一點去驗身抽血，體檢安全一點。If you're born in year the rat, you're born in 1948, 60, 72, 84, 96. Now the red people also have good money sign this year, except accident prone. They should be careful about sharp objects such as needles, knives, and sharp corners. So for the red people, do a checkup early on in the year. 嗱，最後一個生肖就牛。牛嚟講咧，1949到1738年97有冇屬牛嘅人？12生肖最硬頸牛。嗱，屬牛嘅人咁就係歲嘅身體唔好，今年咧排第4最好啊。貴人有助一年，所以今年非常平穩一年。如果舊年咧身體唔好，今日打穩年，但係屬牛嘅人唯一小心飲食，犯咗食物問題。收入來源平穩，做事有貴人助，有新嘅機會發展。那屬牛的人是1949、61、73、85、97年出生，去年來講就坐太歲，對身體不好。今年來講是有貴人助。今年不錯的，唯一就食品問題吃錯東西了，腸胃病比較多。但是工作來講呢，有新的機會，有人來幫你，就好好把握。Now, if you're born in the year of the ox, you're born in 1949, 61, 73, 85, 97. Last year you were in the conflict year of the ox. This year is a lucky year for you. Okay, new opportunities, good opportunities for you to explore. Except be careful about food. When you go out to eat in your parties, you can eat the wrong thing and get into diarrhea. But other than food problem, the ox people indeed will do quite well this year. So with that, I conclude all the 12 signs. Again, give you 5-10 minutes for any questions you may have. So the lucky people will start doing okay, except they got a little bit too.
我想问一下。
这个财位来讲，不是厨房中央，是整个房子的中央。
哦，整个房子。
但是呢個不可以放在呢走廊嘅中央。最緊要身體健康，同埋最緊要珍惜眼前人啊！我成日都要講呢句。喺結束以前呢，我要恭祝大家虎虎生威，虎能多賺錢，身體健康。最重要還是要保重，珍惜你的旁邊眼前的人，感情很重要。很多問題出現感情破裂，所有問題都出現了。Okay, before I conclude, I want to wish everybody a very happy new year. Make a lot of money, stay healthy, and love the one beside you. Don't go to the other side of the hill. Okay? Remember the one beside you, actually, your father is the best. 記住啦，牆頭草對面山坡嗰個未必係堅嘅，最堅都係你隔離嗰個。最真實最好的還是旁邊哪一位，對面山坡的不一定是真的啊，所以要小心一點。多謝大家，恭喜多謝大家 ，Happy New Year！ 當我睇住佢冇快啲走啦。